survive the world's scariest vacation, but to win my Mega Macabre prize package, could you...
What's you up to? Nothing. You know, you spend far too much time glued to that TV. Well, I'm taking you away from here, someplace where there are no TVs.
Our next contestant will get to spend one whole night in a haunted castle on Burnberry Hill is... Woody Woodpecker.
Woohoo! I get picked! I get to go to a haunted castle with vampires and ghouls and ghosts and... I gotta find someone to go with me. Let's go, Woody! Bingo! What a great idea, Woody! Where'd you hear about this quaint old place? On TV. But it's real old-fashioned, Winnie, not a TV in the joint. You check in, I'll park.
Welcome to the world's scariest vacation, Woody Woodpecker. We've rigged that castle with hidden cameras to tape all the horror as you try to survive one night in Burnberry Castle. The mega prize package is still safe, Iggy. We'll scare these woodpeckers out before the sun sets.
What's it take to get served around here? Ghost! Stop it right now, Woody! You're not funny!
Oh, go check those woodpeckers in. I'll handle the spookum.
Yeah, Winnie, on second thought, maybe we ought to go somewhere else. Oh, don't be ridiculous. I like this old place. We're staying the night.
This should scare those birds right out of their tail feathers.
Maybe a good long book will calm my nerves. Quiet, Woody. I'm reading. That does it. I've had it.
You will not survive the night in Burnberry Castle.
Winnie, you gotta get out of the house. Your scare routines are stale, Woody. I need some fresh air. Are you all right, Winnie? I'd be better if you weren't spoiling everything with your cheap horror theatrics. Winnie, there's something I gotta tell you. This place is really haunted! Nonsense! You just want us to go back home so you can watch TV. Well, nothing doing. Wait! You can't leave me down here alone! Winnie! Winnie! Winnie?
Nobody ever survives our horror double whammy.
You go in through the balcony, I'll go up through the bedroom door.
Woody! Stop trying to scare me, Woody! That does it! I'm gonna rope me a ghost. So you're sneaking around, huh, Woody? That'll teach you. Now you ready to get out? Wait, if you're here, who was that? It was a ghost! Real ghosts go through doors without destroying them, Woody. And they don't wear fright masks. You're right, but I know who does wear them. Come on!
Boss, you've always been able to scare anyone.
Well, I never met the likes of those woodpeckers before. Them?
A TV show, Woody? This was all about being on a dumb TV show? Yeah, but we spent the whole night in Burnberry Castle, so we just won the mega prize package, Winnie. Sun's coming up, boys. Time to pay up.
Fine, you win. Just stay away from us.
Woohoo! Hot diggity. What did we win, Woody? You've won a free 2-week stay at Burnberry Castle? Forget it, Winnie. We're out of here. We can still have a vacation with this cash prize money. Whoopee! Let's go. Someplace there's no TVs but sun and no castles. Just warm beaches and no ghosts. Nothing but surf, I tell ya.